All right, team. I'm going to be honest. I think this is actually a really perfect backdrop, okay? It is so hot in LA right now. And truth be told, I actually know this is not the worst place right now in terms of heat. I saw something where a lady baked some bread in Texas in her mailbox. I mean, look, the heat is crazy. It's actually killing my mojo. Truth be told, my wife and I actually just came back from the desert. We wanted to go see the stars and stuff. So the heat has been bad. All right. So my goal will be to make some videos later today. I can just tell you it is not going to happen right now. I know there are a bunch of comments. I actually have not looked at them intentionally. Again, I just haven't been in a place to do things. So we'll hopefully talk later. You know, I'll reply to you as soon as I can. And as always, much love to everyone. Thank you so much for the time. All right. Hey, Timothy is the name of the person that did this, not me, but I'll go ahead and give him some love off of Unsplash. So, hey, much love one last time. Have a great one.